cardiac vein because it's the very obvious cardiac vein.
Use the pencil.
The cardiac vein, colored blue. Yeah, the green cardiac vein. This is the anterior interventricular artery. This is the left coronary artery and the circumflex vein.
Artery.
Artery. Ito, the red one.
Yes nga.
This is the
Anterior cardiac vein.
and the small cardiac vein. This is
The right coronary artery and the marginal artery.
Can you left coordinate dito?
That's
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, at the
The
back
back
is the coronary sinus.
The big blue. Gosh. This is the big blue. This is the posterior cardiac vein.
And the middle coronary artery. And you can see here the descending,
Cardiac.
the inferior descending artery, this one. Yung dito pala, oh, may descending din yun eh, may descending dito. Meron dito eh, the superior descending artery.
Pares lang yun.
Ano yan?
Hindi, ito superior, ito inferior.
Pero ganyan, ano,